Hello, my people. Umuchineke Hana day today now. Happy Biafra Day. Umuchineke Umoma. I think I see how everywhere is soft. Everywhere is soft today. Hey, that be smart, you know. Hey, that be smart. Uja na atomu agwara ha na galabale. Isi na ngo adire. We atanye tu na anya. Anya you go tell you. Now your body go tell you whether they go dire or dire. Now see we everywhere just soft. His Excellency Pepe Den Gang, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu give order now so everybody they obey they go. You won't try. See my people, hey, that is smarting. I hear say nothing state. Nothing I say they no one do anything with Igbo. And in my cherubim and seraphim voice I say hallelujah. Yay, oh Zana. You understand? This street where they see so now are Enyimba City, where everywhere just day like graveyard. People they fear like wait, everybody, nobody won't die, but they won't go heaven. Hey, Ndimbu. So everywhere can they what I go they happen. So my people, hey, this reminds me. If you never subscribe to this channel, please consider doing so. Subscribe to your own. Now our channel with this one our own. Now we get that. What I go. Turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out when we upload new videos and whenever we go live. Whenever we bring you the Ogbenge news where they happen for Biafra land and for Nigerian Zoological Republic. So in this video, I'm gonna let you watch. Make you tell me what you think for comment section. Oh, and another thing where they most more important, make you share our videos. Share our videos widely. You know, so what these people they do, they won't suppress the truth. They won't make nobody know what they go on. But when you share them, now your own contribution to that. When you share them widely, now your own way of creating awareness, make people for they know what they go on. You want to go? So I won't make you hear from the horse's mouth. The man wait us say they no want Igbos. They no want us. Make them leave us alone. Now may they go our own way. This one are the best news what I don't hear for this to Biafra independence. For Enyimba City, for River State, whether na Mame Water State, we don't hear them. For Anambra State, for Enugu, all Eastern states, they just obey. They just cool everybody in house. They go, hey, who the real leader? Now he talk so, now everybody obey. So, what did happen? Watch this video to the end. Share it widely. Share. And I'll see you in the next one. Hey!
I'm doing a video now. Nah. Look what about you. Look what about the shops everywhere locked down. About also everywhere. When he make another. From ages to age, I'd knock at 2 o'clock. And I have sit at home, everybody. About also nobody. And when also the clear and true. This is after 7 now. Everywhere is disaster. Observing the sit at home for our heroes way pass. No be smart, you know. No be smart, you know. Even police have don't run. No be smart, you know. No be smart. Might show you a big road. See your big road, yeah. One idea. Look at that. I'm in the Lagos. Man, the Lagos and Equate. I'm in the Kanu Lagos. Law big road. You know, big road. You know, big road. Big road. You know, big road. You know, take our first road from Brass. And also got area. International market. No movement. Unu put the hand in. Now, this is hand again here. Oh, Homaka. Yeah, look where everywhere. Eh? Look where.
Yes, as you can see, this is Enugu, heart of the Enugu town. Everywhere is locked. All the shop is locked. This is shop, the main plaza for Ogurte. Everywhere is locked up. No movement. This is the most filling station for Ogurte, Law Park filling station. This is the new road for Ogurte. Nobody is passing there. Everywhere is lonely for the shutdown of Ipob. All hail Biafras. We move on. Yeah.
That part away from South Korea, or rather from Korea, breaking to South and North Korea, to the Western and Eastern Germany, to common here, Cameroon, that you have the English and the French part that are trying to go away. You know what is going on. So for anybody to be calling for war, or you think you can just separate, it's not easy. I believe in Nigeria. I believe Nigeria will continue to exist. Whether we like it or not, there is a problem. We need to discuss the problem. We are disagreeing with ourselves, and we have every reason to disagree. The North, before now, is saying we don't believe in separation. But as I'm standing, I'm telling you that if there's going to be separation tomorrow, the North is ready for it. We are also ready. Let's go our either ways. And I'm telling you this with all sincerity. Northern Nigeria before now do not want to hear anything separation. But as of today, as I speak to you, the North is equally ready to leave. That is number one. Number two, talking about presidency. What I'm going to say might be controversial. You might disagree with it, but it's the absolute reality, and I'm speaking the mind of Northerners. And I have no apology to anybody in this hall on what I'm going to say, though I respect the leaders, elders, and fathers that are here. I duly respect them. But I have no apology to anybody on what I'm going to say. Let's please be serious. We are here for a serious business. Let us not make it a discussion floor if we truly want to do this. Now, talking about rotational presidency, what I thought we should be looking at is credibility, competency, patriotism, nationalistic thinking, the love for one another, and things like that. That is what I thought should constitute who becomes Nigeria's president. Not regional, tribal, ethnical, or any other thing. Please disagree with me, but I will speak. This is why we are here. This is why we are here. Good. Let us discuss the controversy and let us find a solution to the problem.
Please allow him. Please allow him. Somebody has his opinion. You have your opinion.
This is why we are here. If you disagree with me, come up and give your position. This is my position. This is the position of Northern Nigeria. So if you disagree, make your position known. Now, let us look at competency, credibility, patriotism, the love for the country to move Nigeria forward. Yes, we should create, there should be a room for discussion. Call it national conference, call it restructuring, call it whatever. I agree that we should come to a round table and discuss Nigeria and discuss the way forward for Nigeria. I agree that we are disagreeing. I agree that there's a problem. I agree that there is, if you like, call it lopsided appointment. I am not in government, so I don't speak for the government. I speak for North. I don't speak for Buhari. If Buhari is doing something wrong, Nigeria should call his attention that what he's doing is wrong. He should correct it. He's a Nigerian. He's a leader. He's elected by every Nigerian. But not a particular tribe or region be seen as a threat to a country. If one region or tribe or religion is a threat to this country, then all of us are threatening Nigeria, and we are all threat to Nigeria. Then let us come and discuss the problem, find the solution to the problem, and let's move forward as Nigeria.